how to switch to a demo account on AvaTrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between real account to demo account on AvaTrade. First things first, launch open the AvaTrade application on your device, and once you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now on the next page, tap on Accounts. From the Accounts tab, click on My Account. On the next page, you'll see if you have the real account or demo account. Since I have the real account, I'm going to click on Create Demo Account underneath the Currency tab. Once you tap on it, click the Switch button in the pop-up and your demo account will be created and it will be switched right away. In the demo account, you'll get virtual funds, often $10,000 or more to trade with. You can use this to learn how trade works, test strategies, and understand charts and indicators. You can treat your demo account like a real money. It builds better habits. Don't rush into live trading too soon. Practice risk management from the start. So that's how you switch to a demo account in AvaTrade. It is like having a training ground before the real game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.